Adding a privacy policy to your GoHighLevel site is essential for compliance and building trust with your audience. Here's how to include it. Prepare your privacy policy. Draft a privacy policy tailored to your business, or use a privacy policy generator to create one. Ensure it covers data collection, usage, and compliance with regulations like GDPR or CCPA. Add privacy policy as a page. Log into your GoHighLevel account and navigate to the Sites tab. Under Websites, select the site where you want to add the privacy policy. Click Create New Page, name it Privacy Policy, and paste your policy text into a blank page or use a pre-designed layout. Customize the page. Use the drag and drop editor to format the text, add headers, or include links. Ensure the page looks professional and aligns with your brand. Link privacy policy to your site footer. Go to your website settings or footer section. Add a link to the privacy policy page in the footer menu, ensuring it's accessible from every page on your site. Save and publish. Preview the changes to ensure the policy displays correctly. Click Save and Publish to make it live.